I have an Antex soldering iron stand. But the trouble is, it's lighter than the soldering iron, which means that it's very easy to knock it over and topple it. Let's do something about that. What I have here is a big old lump of metal and the Antex stand. Obviously, just take the foam feet off the bottom, and then adhere the stand to the piece of metal, which means that it will be extremely hard for the soldering iron to shift and not flammable. But the first thing we need to do is prepare this, as these edges are quite sharp, and then I'm thinking I'll probably paint it up a little bit. I mean, I don't dislike the metal, but if I leave it unfinished it'll probably rust. I got this piece of metal from a local metal shop. It was just a bit of off-cut scrap they gave me on the cheap, which just goes to show you, always go check out your local trade places, because you never know. The people there are usually just looking to make a deal, and you know, for a solid bit of metal like that, I say I got a pretty good one. Certainly I'd pay a lot more if I went to try to go to a shop and get a piece of metal like this. So we start off by preparing these edges with a file. Give it a quick wash to get rid of any residue. And of course, make sure that you dry it with a bit of kitchen towel. Make sure it's nice and dry. And then we need to make sure we get rid of any grease. A little bit of Tesco Value white spirit should shift any nastiness that's on there. And again, wash it down. Get rid of any white spirit residue. And dry it off. With regards to paint, I'm going to hit it with a direct rust primer, because that's all I have. I wouldn't normally use it, but if that's what I have, then that's what I'm going to use. Then I'll hit it with some metallic silver / chrome, and then finish it off with some crystal clear top. Of course, half these cans are half empty, so this is a great opportunity for us to use up some old paint. From the outside with our beautifully sprayed piece of metal. Now what we have to do is add on some accoutrements. I have these sticky rubber feet, so I'm going to go ahead and put one on each corner. Then I've got this soldering base, the Antex one, with the sticky foam on the bottom. Make sure that's nice and firmly affixed. Twist our spiral back on. It's this way in fact. And there we go. Much better. That is not going to get pulled. It's not going to slip. And most importantly, a little bit of sideways torsion is not going to cause it to fall over. That's a good solid job we've done. And now that I've finished modifying the soldering iron, I can go ahead and finish fixing the damage that it did to the nacelles. I broke one of the front LED strips. But you'll see that in the next Voyager video. For now, I'm Raven, and that's all from the lair. I do apologise for the delay in videos. I've been very busy. Busy with dark and mysterious energies. The end is coming.